Looking for a pressure washer built with precision and performance? The Kärcher K1800PS delivers German-engineered quality to crush your cleaning jobs. The Karcher K1800PS is all about power, performance, and durability. With 1800 psi of pressure and 1.2 GPM flow, it's designed for serious cleaning tasks, from clearing grime off your driveway to blasting dirt off your tools. This machine won't just get the job done, it'll do it right the first time. Here's why this machine stands out. First up, the 13-amp motor. It's not just efficient, it's reliable. Paired with Karcher's axial pump, you're getting 2,160 cleaning units, giving you the force to tackle anything in its path. For more power, the Turbo Nozzle is built for the toughest grime, stripping away dirt that other washers leave behind. What makes life easier? The on and off foot pedal. You're not bending down or fumbling with switches. Just step and you're rolling. Convenience meets power. Exactly what you want when you're managing outdoor projects. And speaking of convenience, the 20-foot pressure hose and 35-foot power cord give you reach without constantly having to move the unit around. Whether you're washing the deck, prepping your house for a paint job, or cleaning your car, you're getting plenty of coverage. Portability? No problem. Weighing just 20.7 pounds with 8-inch never-flat wheels, you can move this machine wherever you need it. No heavy lifting required. Its compact size makes it easy to store, whether you're putting it away in the garage or loading it into your truck. Need to add some soap? The removable detergent tank holds 0.3 gallons, letting you dial in the right amount of cleaner for the job. This unit's designed to get serious results without overcomplicating things. Efficient, straightforward, and it gets the job done fast. Here's what makes it even better: the trigger lock safety feature. Whether you're storing it or moving between jobs, you'll know you're always in control of the spray. Now, there are stronger washers out there in terms of raw PSI or GPM, but Karcher's focus on build quality and efficiency makes it an investment that'll keep performing job after job. Plus, it's got a 3-year warranty, so you know you're covered. Need something for serious job site cleaning? The best DeWalt pressure washer. It's ready to play on the screen now.